Selamat pagi Sporty People. Pagi ini kita lagi berada di sekitar Seminyak. Tentu saja dengan program yang keren Soundcast.
Kali ini kita udah ada di mana sih Gi? Kasih tahu dong tempatnya.
Kali ini kita sudah ada di Hotel Indigo Bali Seminyak Beach dong.
Yeay, bersama siapa aja?
Bersama Kak Dea.
Ada juga Mrs. Halil. Hai Pak Halil. Kita happy banget ya Gi ya. This is our first time. Ya, my first time sih to Soundcast in front of the beautiful beach.
Yes.
Dan juga tempatnya di Indigo Seminyak.
Nah, itulah fungsinya Soundcast. Kita ngobrol-ngobrol di tempat yang keren. Nah,
itu dia.
salah satunya di Breakfast Clubnya Indigo.
Tapi Indigo ini juga lagi ada yang keren banget loh Gi.
Apa tuh Mir?
Bakal ada Christmas Eve event.
Wah, nanti kita akan bahas ya.
Betul.
Tapi yang pertama-tama kita bahas apa Mir?
Tempat ini dulu.
Tempat ini dulu dong.
Kita ngobrol sama Kak Dea dong, tempat ini boleh dong dikenalin dulu ke Sporty People.
Breakfast Club tuh apa sih sebenarnya Kak Dea?
Ini tempatnya namanya apa? Terus the whole things yang kita bisa dapetin di sini apa aja?
Alright, so thank you so much Kamira and Kak Yogi. So with us here we have Pak Halil Asar, which is our Director of Food and Beverages. Aside from that, he is also the brilliant mind behind our Breakfast Club Seminyak. So maybe Pak Halil, you would like to explain more to us about the concept of why Breakfast Club Seminyak was born?
Exactly. Thank you for having me. We're sitting at a fantastic stage here.
Yes.
Well, to start with inspiration, this is the inspiration. Look around you. I have goosebumps if I speak about it.
Yeah.
It was all about to create a space for everyone to belong, everyone to be welcome to, and everyone to cater to. So sitting at this beautiful boulevard with a lot of people from very, very early morning till late day passing by, we were like, hey, I think we should create a social hub. A social hub where we create great drinks, great food, and cater to all. So that was the main inspiration for the Breakfast Club. And as we say, it's a club, it's a space where people come together, AM to PM.
AM to PM.
Karena sunsetnya juga di sini kan pasti one of the best bro.
Oh iya betul banget.
Ya kan?
Ini satu privilege ya.
Satu
Ya, kalau
privilege
kita
bisa
bisa
di sini.
ada di sini dan menyaksikan keindahan pantai seperti tadi Pak Halil bilang. This very beautiful view dan jadi tempat yang kayak cocok banget untuk kumpul ya. So we gather here with our lovely ones and also our family. It's very nice. Dan
Makanya
menunya-
namanya Breakfast Club Adriana Merah.
Ah.
Paginya breakfast, malamnya jadi club.
Waduh, so in the morning it's
Bisa
for
AM
breakfast
to
and the
PM
night
besok.
we have a club party here.
And we have a special song, Where the Dogs At? The dogs are welcome. We have a stick library,
yes.
bring them over.
Right, true. So this is also pet friendly.
Pet friendly
We
ya.
have a dog bar.
Dog bar.
Yes, I'll show you.
Where is it?
At the back.
So
The video after this.
untuk for parents nih ya, paw parents ini berarti seneng banget bakal datang ke sini karena memang udah ada barnya juga. Thank you
Betul.
Pak. Udah ada barnya. Kita juga pengen tahu menu-menunya.
Ya.
We very curious about the menu for the breakfast club and also for the dogs
Kak Dea
bar.
sama Mr. Alim udah minum pagi-pagi. Already drink.
We already have a
breakfast.
coffee or a drinks in the morning, Pak.
Kita datengin aja deh kalau gitu deh.
Oh, but we
Ya,
have
ini
to
tamu
Thank
kita.
you Kak Yogi, thank you.
Tamu kita.
Hello. The outfit's very nice.
Yeah.
This is how we vibe. This is our style.
This is what vibe that you want to engage.
Exactly.
Exactly. So we want people when they come here, they feel very relaxed. They feel very like this is a very laid back ambience, very casual, very Seminyak. And we want them when they come here, they're like, oh, I'm on holiday. I don't want to be rushed, and I deserve some beautiful and good food. That's what we want people to feel when they come to Breakfast Club Seminyak.
Itu dia.
Kerasa banget ya. Kita di sini pengennya liburan Mbak Dea.
Bener.
Nggak pengen kerja. Kita taruh apa ini?
Kita masuk kerja deh, kita masuk kerja.
Jangan.
Ngobrol pun enak di sini.
Iya.
Ya kan? Nggak panas. Vibes-nya langsung pantai, dengar suara ombak. Jadi emang
Exactly.
all in one place gitu loh, Mir.
Personally, I very like the ambience, Pak. This is the very wonderful job. How come do you have this grande idea like
How can you stay in holiday vibes while you work?
working?
Well, that's a
I
privilege,
mean,
right?
the place is very
Yeah.
relaxing.
That's the thing. it is not work, it's passion.
It's patient.
Wow, it's a
So,
patient.
Yeah, we don't clock the hours that we work. We like to be with people, we like to serve people, and we serve them at the best stage possible in Seminyak Beach.
Oh, maybe when you create this, you think how do you like to having holiday, or how you want family having holiday?
Yeah, obviously, we are invited by the beautiful nature. If you smell the fresh oxygen here,
yeah.
and then how nice is it that we can cater to you farm to table. Look at the beautiful colors, look at the craftsmanship, but with something what really sets us apart is the unique hospitality, the genuine good care, but a great vibe from the moment you step onto our breakfast club.
Yeah, so everyone is feeling welcome and feeling like family here because the hospitality is very nice. That's the great point of having a great holiday for me.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Nah,
Yeah.
kita ngomongin menu lagi nih
Yes,
sekarang
how
nih.
about the menu? Because we have here like dragon fruit and you got the spinach and blah blah
What is
blah.
your most-
The green-
That's
the
your
green juice.
that's your detox after
Detox,
a heavy night drinking.
Oh,
This is your healthy fuel.
That's why
But,
Mr.
matches your
Put
glass
into
also.
me.
Exactly.
I
Yeah.
need detox.
Yeah.
You need detox.
Yeah.
You need some detox. So
We welcome more of the menu here.
We talk about the menu.
Yeah.
And how's the story behind all the menu here? Maybe Mbak Dea or Pak Halil.
Maybe since Pak Halil is the mind behind of this, you want to
Yeah.
talk more about it. And before that, should we welcome more of the menu here?
Yeah.
Dan di sini juga menunya katanya personally handpicked. Itu artinya apa sih, Kak?
Okay. So personally, handpicked is basically the menus here are created by our executive chef Heri Rizkiawan
Oke.
together with Pak Halil here, and they create something that they love to eat. So basically, it's more of like the comfort food, the classic breakfast menu,
Yeah.
but they make it more modern, more in a twisted good kind of way, and then presented in beautiful plates with beautiful decorations.
Okay.
So I think that's kind of the handpicked menu that we love to serve here. And anything you would like to add?
Yeah, it's a sensory experience as well. As we can see, it's not only about the sights,
Yeah.
beautiful colors, it's the taste, it's eclectic, it's dynamic, it's catering to everyone needs. There's on the menu so much different things, the fruit lover, the egg lover, the starch lover, and the is all covered. Farm to table a lot. We like to work with a lot of fresh produce from this beautiful island and the region. Yeah, it comes with dynamic. As we say, we are vibrant. All dishes have very cool, funky names. Bagel Ella Bella.
Oh, Bagel Ella Bella, what that mean?
So it's your ideal pick me up in the morning. So we even create a little bit of fun at the table while reading the menu.
Jadi kalau kita cerita
Review.
aja tidak ada wujudnya, nanti Sporty People juga tidak bisa
Iya.
membayangkan how beautiful and how
Betul.
great to have the experience here. Jadi kita mau juga bring the menu on the table. Ooh.
Silakan Kak Wahyu.
As we said, sensory, look at the colors,
Yeah,
look at the
yes.
plating,
So
a little bit of
vibrant.
tradition, Indonesian soul food, some heritage with the twist. So yeah, that's a nice.
Kalau say soul food,
Betul,
Yeah.
betul.
makanan jiwa kita ya. So,
Jadi benar-benar sporty people tuh bisa milih ya, mau yang smoothie dulu,
Iya.
klasik atau American breakfast
the
juga
texture
ada
is
tuh.
so great. So
Yeah.
dari yang liquid and then have a pastry at the end, ya kan? Very nice.
What is the most popular for the
Or your favorite, Pak?
or
My
your
favorite. I really like the bagel Alla
Bagel.
Bella. It's we have our own bakery. So proud of our beautiful breads baked in house. So it cannot be fresher. Yeah, that's one of my favorite. But I honestly learned how to eat nasi goreng now while in Indonesia. So it's not number 2. Maybe top 1 one day.
top one day?
We're still learning, still
Yeah.
searching for the happiness while eating.
Kalau Kak Dea apa nih
Kalau aku,
favoritnya nih?
so I love this one. This is my personal pick. So everyone, if I invite anyone here, I will order this one. This one in the front is called Egg Elegance.
Ooh.
Jadi bayangin, yes.
Egg elegance.
Ya.
Jadi ada ada croissant di bawahnya ada
Betul.
telur,
scrambled egg,
ada
ya.
telur, ada salmon.
Jadi ini adalah salah satu pilihan yang menurut aku tuh fulfilling, mengenyangkan, tapi di saat yang sama juga comfort food banget. Jadi it's a nice pick me up breakfast in the morning. So imagine flaky croissant with scrambled egg, silky on the top, and then also you have the nice texture from the savory salmon or from the bacon. So it's really nice, mengenyangkan untuk kita mungkin yang habis lari
Tapi
pagi.
nggak berat banget ya,
Tapi
Kak,
nggak
ya?
berat banget, bener.
Apalagi habis
Protein,
10K,
ya kan?
10K di
Protein.
pantai kan.
Itu dia habis 10K kan
Habis
sampai
drilling.
airport, habis drilling.
Masa langsung berat-berat kan jangan.
Tuh, jadi ini perfect menu untuk breakfast, salah satu favorit aku.
Do you like our music?
Ya?
Do you like our music?
Yes.
Yeah.
The sound of the waves.
Oh,
Yes.
that's healing.
I want
healing,
to
healing
Cobra
music.
pose since 1 minute.
He likes yoga, so this is the best place to have open
Yeah.
air, open space, and then for yoga mat ya Gi ya.
Biasanya di sini jadi tempat apa sih, Kak?
Sebelum
ini
ada,
Sebelum
Kalau
ada
nggak
breakfast club.
soundcast, kalau nggak ada soundcast.
oh kalau nggak ada soundcast
Oh,
ya
kalau
Gi?
nggak ada
Ini-
soundcast.
Ini kayaknya spot favorit nih.
Ini kalau bener, kalau semisal nggak ada soundcast di sini nih, biasanya ini salah satu spot breakfast kita juga, yang favorite juga. Jadi biasanya table-nya sampai sini, orang yang duduk makan di sini bisa langsung enjoy the view of the beach.
Kalau
Wow,
kita datang
iya
tanpa
sih.
ada soundcast, if we come here not working like this,
Nggak boleh kamu
yeah.
datang kalau
Boleh dong, kan welcome for
Boleh.
everyone.
Boleh
ya
dong,
kan?
boleh dong.
Pasti akan jadi tempat ini favorit.
Iya.
Yeah, I'll choose this place, Pak,
Yes.
because we have the view and not really
Not really
direct
sunny,
sunlight,
ya.
ya kan?
Yeah.
Jadi enak aja, so it's feel
terus
very
kayak
comfy.
langsung di depannya jogging track gitu
Jogging
loh.
track. Uhuy, manggil gak?
So,
Monang maning vibe-nya dibawa nih.
jangan dong, Kak. Jangan
Uhuy,
dong.
uhuy, cowok-cowok nih. Udah dari tadi pengen ya?
Dia tadi pengen, soalnya sekalian kan.
Yeah. So interesting point tadi Kak Yogi
Yeah.
udah sempat sebutin juga. So why we open the breakfast club here? Because there's a lot of people jogging, walking around here in the morning, and we want them to feel like welcome at a place where they can still enjoy the view after like a little morning walk, like a morning jogging, and then have a good breakfast here. So ya, karena daerah Seminyak ini kan banyak banget orang lalu lalang kan. That's the market that we want to grab here.
The best time we came here and enjoy all the experience itu jam berapa?
So the best time that the people come here to enjoy the food, I think I would say like the brunch time. What do you think, Pak?
Yeah, exactly. This is beyond breakfast. It's an AM to PM.
Yeah.
So maybe you feel like having an early morning, but as we say, you can have a very nice breakfast at 1 PM here. So and why not a cheeky glass of sparkling wine?
Wah, diganti
And
menunya ya.
again, as mentioned earlier, it really caters to everyone. There's no set limits. It's your living room, open sky. You're welcome to bring family. You're welcome to bring pets, and yeah, we cater to everyone.
Ada istilah baru berarti ya di
Apa
antara
tuh?
WFBC,
Apa itu?
Walk from
Breakfast Club.
Oh, WFBC.
Karena kan sampai sore bisa di sini.
Sampai sore ya.
Breakfast, brunch,
Office hour ya.
office hour.
And we have a lot of power plugs too,
Yeah.
so you can bring your laptop while
Yeah.
working on your deadlines
Udah
here.
pasti jaringan kenceng dong ya.
Kencang, ya, wifi tuh, yes.
Kita akan ngobrol-ngobrol lagi Sporty People. Kita mau bahas apa yang akan Hotel Indigo siapkan untuk festive season nanti.
Yes, itu
Jadi
dia.
jangan kemana-mana, stay tune di Soundcast.
Welcome back to Soundcast. Kita masih di mana Yogi?
Tentunya kita masih di Hotel Indigo Bali Seminyak Beach.
Yeay. Ini masih happy banget ya. The vibes bener-bener se-casual itu, se-enjoyable itu.
Aku kayak lagi nggak kerja deh. kalau
Lagi
kayak
liburan
gini.
kan, lagi
Iya.
ngobrol sama teman aja gitu.
Kayak tiba-tiba KTP ku Jakarta gitu. Kayak nggak di Bali, kayak nggak lagi kerja di Bali gitu. Suara ombak, ya kan jarang-jarang banget nih.
Terus
Ya
kita
kan?
sama teman-teman kita, ya kan,
Iya.
kolega-kolega.
Dengan kolega-kolega kita, meeting-meeting cantik, ngomongin tanah hektar.
Wah, ini tanah hektaran ya.
Ini juga bisa jadi tempat meeting ya Kak Dea kan? Pasti
Bisa,
ya, ya
bisa
kan?
banget.
Enak banget ini jadi tempat meeting.
Tadi kan
Karena-
kayak Kak Yogi bilang kan, walk from Breakfast Club.
Work from Breakfast
Club.
Club.
Tapi nggak cuma Breakfast Club yang jadi highlight nih, karena sebentar lagi kita bakal punya Christmas Eve.
Ya.
Kita juga bakal mencari tahu Hotel Indigo Bali Seminyak Beach ini punya event yang keren apa aja nih, Gi.
Nah, temanya tau nggak, Adriana Mira?
Apa temanya?
Tahun ini temanya adalah Vibrant Tropical Festive.
Wow. So are you the man behind all the idea, Pak?
Actually, it's Santa. Santa is coming.
Santai kami.
Yeah,
It's his
but he
idea.
said one thing. I need a vibe, I need energy, I need colors.
Oh.
So I said, aye, sir. So let's create something nice.
So Santa came to
Santa
Pak Halil
yang kontrol ya.
Iya.
Santa yang nyuruh. Hei, kerja.
Can you tell us more about the idea, the
Of
theme?
the theme festival.
Yeah, it's called the Tropical Vibrant
Yeah.
Festive. We are Indigo. We are a very vibrant and dynamic lifestyle brand. So I think we need to create a festive like no other, what really suits our persona. So if we say vibrant, it's the people, it's the energy. You're greeted upon the arrival in the lobby, what we call neighborhood gallery, by a Christmas tree like no other. It's a colorful peacock. Can you imagine?
Oh, using a peacock.
Yeah,
The
so
peacock or the fur?
everything of it.
Yeah. So the moment you step in our lobby,
Yeah.
you will see one of our unique Christmas tree like no other is made of like colorful peacock and also flowers. We call it merak bungan.
Ah,
So
merak
merak
bungan.
means
Merak,
yeah,
merak.
merak bungan.
Merak,
Bungan.
merak peacock,
Yes,
ya.
Merak
because
bungan.
merak is peacock and then bungan is
Bungan,
flowers
yeah.
in Balinese,
Oh,
right?
Bungan,
bungan
Bali,
like
bahasa
Bali.
Bali,
bahasa
ya.
Bali. Merak bungan ya.
So that's one of the things that you should spot the moment you step in our hotel, and then the vibrant festivity go around the resort, including at our Breakfast Club Seminyak.
Wah, berarti nanti Breakfast Club bakal di dekor sedemikian rupa ya, Kak?
Nah, for festive kita akan lebih highlightnya ke Sugar Sand dan juga Makassar termasuk Breakfast Club.
So start from the lobby, we can see the peacock, the merak bungan, and then
Yes.
Many more.
Uh-huh.
A lot of colors, a lot of decoration. As we say, it's vibrant.
Yes.
So you will see staff uniforms in all different colors you can imagine. You will see people walking shorts with colorful socks. That's the energy we like to bring. And obviously we have our restaurants prepared and ready to cater a great feast, a great meal during Christmas and New Year.
Oke, kita udah tahu ambience-nya, tapi kita belum
Yes.
tahu the whole event bakal seperti apa. Can you tell us, Pak, the event, the
Bakal ada apa
special
aja ya?
one, or the menu is special, or anything special?
Yes, certainly. So we have a Christmas Eve, what is normally celebrated on 24 December. As well, Makassar, our family restaurant, and Sugar Sand serves a great meal. In
Yeah.
Sugar Sand, beachfront, more intimate, people who like more intimacy, a set menu with a series of great flavors, from truffle to lobster to wagyu beef,
Wow.
course by course served. And in Makassar restaurant, a very lavish feast buffet. You don't know where to look, you don't know where to stop, and you know what?
Want to eat everything.
Eat your heart out. So following to the Christmas day itself, it's a daytime celebration. Again, a beautiful buffet setup in Makassar. Basically, we roll over from breakfast to lunch, doesn't stop. You can start at 6 a.m. You end up at 4, and you don't count the courses. And then same for Sugar Sand.
With a different view ya.
Different view.
View,
This view in front of you, the nice sound of the waves, and in the meantime, we get our kids entertained.
Yes.
Or maybe we can mix it.
Yeah.
Like in the morning we came here at Sugar Sand, and then late like afternoon we go to Makassar.
Yeah.
So we can do both things.
Like sporty people can choose
Uh-huh.
how they want their Christmas mood.
Yeah,
ya.
yeah.
Kalau mau
yeah.
ke pantai-pantai juga langsung
Sugar
ke
Sand.
Sugar Sand. Kalau misalnya mau lebih intimate lagi, ke Makassar bisa.
But the highlight is also the decoration, the theme, and the menu. Kalau dari Mbak Dea sendiri yang very favorite dan paling dinantikan yang mana tuh Kak Dea?
Mungkin salah satu yang paling dinantikan di sini tuh 2 sih, kalau boleh salah 2 boleh nggak?
Boleh ya, salah 2
Salah 2 boleh nggak?
dong poinnya. Tapi belum remedi. Boleh.
Oke, mungkin salah satunya yang dinantikan di sini adalah Christmas Eve dinner ya.
Ya.
Karena Christmas Eve itu kan tanggal 24 Desember tuh sebenarnya adalah kickstart of the whole festive season.
Yes.
Jadi dimulai ketika Christmas Eve-nya di tanggal 24 Desember, kita di Makassar ada buffet untuk dinernya. Itu ada lebih dari 10 stations yang bisa dinikmati, mulai dari appetizers, mulai dari live carving, juga kita punya seafood bar. Bayangin aja ada fresh oyster, ada udang, ada hamachi, tuna, semuanya tersedia. Dan juga ada live carving kita yang akan ada turki, kemudian akan ada wagyu. Jadi bayangin aja lah pulang-pulang.
What we call in
Pulang-pulang kolesterol lagi.
You book already?
what we call in English ngiller.
Ngiller.
Ngiller, what
We will be ngiller.
Salivating.
Celebrating.
Mouth-watering.
Mouth-watering
Mouth
dish,
watering.
exactly, not ngiller. And then
Gak keluar tang pleasure Mugi.
Jadi nggak bisa jadi tongue
Yeah.
pleasure tuh ya
Tongue
nanti.
pleasure.
So that's one of the most highlighted here, and of course not to mention we will have the countdown and also firework also at Sugar Sand.
Oh, udah pasti kan kita akan countdown di sini dong.
Betul.
Jadi Sporty People harus memastikan memulai festive seasonnya dengan luar biasa.
Betul.
Jadi kita bisa menutup 2025 dengan luar biasa juga nanti ya.
Dan memulai 2026 dengan mood yang luar biasa.
Mood yang luar biasa. Kalau
Karena,
misalnya dari
ya.
10 station yang tadi Kak Dea sebutin, rekomendasi pribadi Kak Dea apa?
Oke, dari lebih
Dari
dari
semua
10
tuh.
station nih ya.
More than 10
Oke, more than 10.
Habis itu Pak Halil
Ya,
ya.
Pak Halil
Oke.
will
Give
give
the
us
recommendation.
full recommendation.
Oke. So kalau dari aku pribadi ya, mungkin karena aku makannya nggak terlalu banyak nih, mungkin 3 piring, 4 piring. jadi
Sehari tapi dikit itu mah.
jadi mungkin yang paling aku rekomenin yang pertama adalah raw bar kita. Raw barnya itu nanti akan ada yang tadi sempat aku mention, ada fresh oyster,
Ya.
ada ikan-ikan, kemudian akan ada juga pencinta seafood lah akan sangat cinta dengan raw bar ini. Dan yang kemudian kedua tadi yang sempat aku mention juga ada live carving. Jadi live carving ini adalah basically meat untuk para carnivore akan sangat suka ini karena nanti akan ada turkey, akan ada strip loin. So you guys should not miss these 2 stations. How
Itu
about
ya.
you, Pak?
How about you, sir?
Let's do a little bit different this year. Let's
Okay.
start with dessert. Eat dessert all night long, and we end with dessert. How does that sound?
Wow.
Yeah. So
Untuk sweet tooth, we're
Sweet
very
Tooth,
happy.
We're very proud of our pastry team. They will again definitely impress us with the beautiful creations. They're like artists. So I would say this year, let's start with dessert. Eat our heart out. Death by chocolate. Why not?
Is there any special menu
Or
that you
special
make
cake
special
that
for
you very
festive?
like?
Everything is special, but definitely the dark Valrhona chocolate
Wow.
in 10 different preparations. Can't miss. And if you have a little bit of space left, like Dea said, a nice carving, nice protein, some beautiful wagyu, maybe some babi, some turkey, some good meat,
Yeah,
meat.
yeah. Valrhona chocolate is very nice ya, lagi naik daun
Adriana
banget ya.
Merah tuh lagi craving banget kan dia sama yang
Iya.
namanya manis-manis.
Yeah, coklat. I'm the sweet tooth, so I'm agree with Bapak. We start from dessert and end with dessert. And after that, timbangan kanan terus ya. Kanan.
Calories don't count on holiday season.
Yeah, don't count.
Sleep not guaranteed, yeah, because of the sugar rush.
Yeah, sugar rush.
Ya. Tapi buat aku yang pelari setiap hari 10 K
Wow,
sih
wow.
bisa kebakar ya.
Iya, buat
Kalori.
aku mimpi aja sih, larinya sambil mimpi aja, terbakar
Lari
banget.
dikejar dong.
What is make this year is different than last year? I think it's more station, the decoration more grande or something like
I
that.
think the total vibe, the energy, it's as we said earlier, it's a Christmas like no other. It's absolutely not traditional setup. The amount of color and
Yeah.
vibe and energy, even the music styling has been adjusted. So we really want to bring a Christmas like no other. It's a very good energy, great flavors, a lot of sensory influence, and I think that's how we can wrap it up, and some entertainment for sure.
Yeah.
Do you pick the entertainment, Pak?
We did it together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what will be there for the
So
festive season?
besides some fire dance, fire show. There will be maybe a Santa and a Santarina passing by.
Oh.
Yeah, we don't promise. Maybe they bring some gifts.
Maybe you can be the Santa.
Yeah.
You, Santarina.
Santarina.
And then
Kok kurus-kurus ini
definitely
Santanya gitu.
we want to bring some dynamic with some hula hoop dancing, a lot of color, a lot of neon lights, so a lot of energy. Yeah.
And how about the music?
Yeah,
Is there a
groovy.
DJ?
Yeah, DJ will be there in Sugar Sand. In Makassar there will be very nice playlist. Get you into the groove and making sure you jingle.
Wih.
Kalau untuk sporty people yang udah punya buntut nih Kak, alias anak
Anak ya. Apa rekomendasinya?
Untuk Christmas.
Rekomendasi-
Oke. Jadi kan dari tadi udah sempet diceritain nih.
Kayaknya dari tadi tuh yang diobrolin untuk bapak ibunya
Bapak
terus
ibu.
ya.
Untuk anak-anaknya.
Anak-anaknya kira-kira.
Jadi untuk bapak ibunya kan sudah akan dirancang rangkaian acara sedemikian
Oh,
rupa
iya, betul.
yang sangat vibrant, yang sangat seminyak ways.
Sangat
Jadi kayak
tropical banget ya.
tropical banget. Jadi semua yang mau celebrate New Year, festive in Seminyak Ways, ini tempatnya. Nah, untuk buntut-buntutnya nih, untuk anak-anak kita juga udah pikirkan, kita prepare mulai dari tanggal 24-nya. 24, 25, 31 dan tanggal 1 Januarinya kita udah prepare complimentary kids festive activities. Jadi nanti untuk anak-anak mereka bisa ikut ada kelas art and craft, bertemu Santa, kemudian mereka juga bisa menghias gingerbread dan akan banyak lagi. Jadi untuk bapak ibunya bisa
Tenang
celebrate, tenang. Mereka bisa ngedate, mereka bisa makan pacaran lagi.
Iya.
Mungkin untuk yang single bisa me time sendiri.
Iya.
Nah, untuk anak-anaknya juga kita udah siapin. Jadi there's something for everyone here.
Oke, jadi
Mungkin Pak Halil mau tambahin, do you have any
Have you ever done a treasure hunt in the evening in the dark?
Wow, ada
Well,
treasure hunt
That's in the program this
that's in the
year.
program.
Yeah.
for the
Treasure
kids.
For the kids.
Oh,
You can join. We're kids forever, right?
Kids
Yeah.
forever.
We don't put age limitation, you can join.
Oh, age limitation for us.
Jatuhnya dia ntar ini terlalu semangat keserannya. punya aku gitu dia. Dia emang nggak mau kalah
Treasure
soalnya.
hunt itu bakal ada di mana? Where the treasure hunt will held, Pak?
The whole.
Left, right, top, center, everywhere.
Oh, so we really searching for
Yes,
the
it's
What
discovery
is the
through the
treasure?
resort,
Can you
yeah.
spill the treasure?
Sorry?
No, don't spill it.
Siapa tahu misalnya hadiahnya apa gitu.
Oh, hadiahnya apa? The
Yeah.
prize, Pak.
The
For
prize,
the treasure hunt.
treasure.
Complimentary.
Oh.
We serve you. Yeah.
Jadi
oke.
kalian berkesempatan memenangkan voucher menginap 1 bulan. Kelamannya.
Ya,
29 harinya bayar ya.
Tadi langsung, kok program dari dia? Kok
dari
program
dia?
dari Yogi?
Just book a table and the rest is covered.
Oh, kisah ada complimentary nanti bakal ada.
Wah, itu seru banget sih.
rahasia ya. Jadi
Iya.
kalian join aja dulu.
Jadi bakal ada anak kecil kayak,
Tiba-tiba
nggak ada.
semua rumput digeser-geserin ya.
Treasure mana ya treasure?
Iya.
Tapi kayaknya pasti lebih mudah ya kan, pasti itu untuk Christmas.
Iya, for the kids.
For the
Very
kids.
nice.
So
Jadi
fun.
buat yang sudah punya baby, don't worry, you can still enjoy
Yes.
the festive. Karena anak-anak punya activity yang kayaknya bakal all day juga ya Kak Dea ya.
kalau untuk anak-anak akan selama mereka dining di sini,
Aha.
nah kita akan sediakan kegiatan untuk anak-anaknya selama orang tuanya dining.
Saya dining sampai jam 3 gini. Nah, sampai jam 3 tuh anak-anak ada tuh. Kayak
Wow.
nitip di daycare.
Nah,
Iya kan?
Bener, konsepnya seperti itu,
Iya.
betul.
Jadi lebih enak ya, lebih
Santai.
santai lah kita sebagai orang tua dapat breaks lah ya kan, kayak wah nggak usah nih. Nggak
So
usah
Pak
terlalu.
Halil will be working while the festive, right?
Of
How about your
course.
outfit? You see that you say that the outfit will be very vibrant. Do you already have your outfit?
All locked in. And maybe I might change twice in a day. Start
Saking
pink,
Lari-lari.
Saking capeknya.
start pink and yellow. Why not? Yeah. No,
so
we
vibrant
yeah.
and yellow.
throughout the team, the service team in the restaurants and bar, you will see different colors, and we might switch it on a little bit. So yeah, the outfits and even the makeup has been sorted.
Oh.
We're ready.
Kalau Kak Dea gimana? Udah menyiapin outfit belum?
Outfit belum?
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Nah, karena gitu tuh kita bakal ngobrolin outfit dan lain-lainnya lebih lama lagi ya setelah ini ya Gi ya, karena kita udah ngiler banget nih ngelihat yang ada di meja. So sporty people, nanti kita bakal balik lagi.
Stay tune. Kembali lagi di Soundcast
bersama dengan Mbak Dea dan juga Pak Halil.
Tentunya kita masih di Breakfast Club Hotel Indigo Bali
Seminyak Beach. Nggak mau pulang ya? Kenapa sih sudah mau berakhir ini ngobrol kita?
Ada name tag yang ada yoginya. Saya mau kerja di
Kita
sini
have
aja.
a name tag one Pak, so I can came here like a video.
Gimana rasanya kerja di tempat yang keren gini kak?
Kayak Yogi nggak mau pulang kan?
Iya.
Sama.
Boleh.
Itu
Ada
kurang
baju
lebih.
pantai juga nggak sih mau jadi?
Ada kamar kosong nggak?
Karena enak banget. Ini.
Enak banget ya kerja di sini ya.
Betul.
Dan enaknya lagi kalau lagi ada event-event. Kalau tadi Christmas Eve udah, sekarang kita mau bahas tentang New Year Eve-nya.
Apa
The
nih
gong
yang
and the
akan
gong.
ada?
Apa aja? And again, man behind everything, ya kan?
Halo.
Mr. Halil.
Will be prepare the best
Ya, for
New Year Eve ya.
New Year Eve.
We have great plans. Can you imagine how time flies?
Ya.
Ya, it's already New Year ya Pak ya. Desember aja udah tiba-tiba melek dikit ya.
And you know what you think? What did I do this year?
Ya.
Did I do something new? Or is it the same?
Yeah, right, Pak.
So it's a great day to reflect, to also to be grateful, to and to project.
Yeah.
And we thought, let's create a very nice evening to celebrate this.
And one thing that I'm grateful for this year is I'm being here with Dea and Pak Halil
Yeah.
to share and
You're
have
welcome.
this best experience here.
Yes.
Yeah, that we have to be grateful because we can, but maybe another friends cannot doing that.
Yeah.
Ya, karena jauh.
Kita masih bisa dengar suara ombak,
Ya.
to be grateful ya. Maksudnya bisa merayakan hal-hal kecil.
Ya,
Tapi kalau di Hotel Indigo Bali Seminyak Beach kayaknya hal-hal kecil tuh nggak ada. Hal-hal besar semua.
Because kita ada dengar-dengar nih akan ada fancy things will be there in the
New Year.
New Year Eve.
Akan ada apa aja nih Kak Dea nih?
Ya,
nanti
atau
di-
Pak Halil mau jawab dulu.
For New Year Eve, so we have a lot of things going on here, from the small things to the big things, everything for everyone. Starting from at Sugar Sand,
Yeah.
we will have the New Year Eve dinner again with a very beautiful set menu. You will meet Wagyu there, you will meet beautiful desserts, and also at the same time you will end 2025 in high note with the countdown and also fireworks. Can you just imagine
Yes.
having like a dinner in the beachfront area and then ending it with like fireworks and everything. And over inside at Makase, you will also have like the Christmas Eve buffet dinner. So again, bottomless dinner, a lot of beautiful foods, a lot of desserts, beautiful desserts, and anything else, Pak Halil?
Well, you just mentioned it. Bottomless, it's
Bottomless.
timeless.
Yes,
Imagine
timeless.
sitting at the dinner table at 6 and you need, I need to be here till 12. So eat your heart out again. We got you covered. A lot of great flavors on the buffet. As Dea mentioned, in Sugar Sand, we're going to make some noise. We have a full band.
Yeah.
We have a DJ. And
Of course.
yeah, and we're going to count down at several locations. So we have the restaurant, but
Yeah.
we are opening the first floor deck.
Wow.
So have you ever been to a
Sugar Sand?
sport event, Bali
Yeah, yeah.
United,
Yeah.
front row, skybox? That's kind of experience.
Ah.
So you need to book in advance to have front row seats to the New Year's Eve midnight fireworks show. And
With the
raising
best
the
view,
glass,
yeah. Of course,
cheering.
with the best view.
The best
You get the
spot
best
ya.
view, the
Yeah,
best
dan
spot.
very
Sure.
limited. So we have
Very
to
limited.
booking in advance ya.
Exactly.
Never ending food, Gi, bayangin kan.
Yes. Makanya kayak
Kalau misalnya kenyang pun kamu bisa nyanyi with the band and you
Yeah.
feel hungry again and you eat again.
Eat again, yes.
So that's why you need to dance a little.
Yes.
Shake it
Correct,
off.
Pak. Correct, Pak.
Shake it off.
Shake it off.
shake it up.
And
shake
about
it
the
up.
decoration, how you
Apakah
imagine
akan
and how you
berganti
decor for
untuk
the
menyambut tahun baru?
New Year Eve?
So for New Year Eve, it will continue from Christmas, but also I think during New Year, Santa is already out of his contract. So we're taking out the Santa for the New Year, but the rest of the vibrant festivity will still be here, and you're expecting a lot of like the confettis,
Yes.
a lot of like the sparkles more than
Yeah,
Christmas
yeah,
for
yeah,
the New
yeah.
Year Eve.
Something like shiny.
Yeah.
Makanya
Yeah.
kadang-kadang kan perempuan datang itu pasti think about how they
Outfits.
ya outfit. So mereka harus tahu dulu nih dekorasinya akan
Exactly.
seperti apa
Exactly.
biar makin
Biar bisa
kece.
menyesuaikan sama
Benar.
bajunya kan.
So one of the good things if you celebrate the festive here is
Yeah.
that you can still be casual, but also at the same time you can be yourself. Like you can be colorful, you can be very vibrant, but also at the same time you will get the luxury experience in Seminyak like no other.
Yeah, bring out the glamour,
Yeah.
some glitter, a little bit more gold. We have a year to celebrate what we leave behind, and we are looking forward to welcome a new year ahead of us. So the glam is on.
Jadi boleh kita glamour, boleh sporty people.
Boleh.
Still
Tapi
casual
Yogi
juga
Maulana
boleh.
saranin sih jangan pakai hak yang terlalu tinggi ya. Because we're gonna be party. Bro.
Ya, yang nyaman aja.
Itu nanti kalau pakai hak terlalu
And
tinggi.
you know what? The pool remains open, so you can dive into the new year if you want.
Or you can throw your friend there.
Happy birthday, bukan Happy New Year ya.
Happy New Year.
Bukan Happy New Year, Happy Birthday jatuhnya kalau dicelupungin
Kenapa
lagi.
pool selalu open selama tahun baru?
Kenapa tuh?
Karena supaya orang bisa merasakan experience tahun baru dengan cara mereka sendiri. Mau sambil
Oke.
berenang-berenang bebas ya
Iya,
kayaknya.
iya.
Atau mau di Sugar Sand bisa, di Makasih juga bisa. Atau mau di Executive Deck juga bisa.
Iya. There will be a grapes nggak Pak di table? Karena kan biasanya tahun baru tuh orang
Oh,
di
gitu.
bawah meja makan 12
Anggur.
grapes, 12 anggur. Kadang nggak tahu ya itu ya. Wah itu
I've
viral
heard
banget.
about it,
Itu
I've
viral
heard about
banget.
it.
Iya.
Itu mitos monang maning gitu. Kenapa tuh?
Katanya apa yang
Why?
kita wish akan tercapai di tahun
Wah.
So have you heard about the tradition Pak eating grapes?
Under the
Under the
table,
table.
12 grapes in 1 minute. Pas countdown lagi, jadi harus eating grapes.
Oh,
Bring us ideas, so I need to start ordering grapes now.
Yes.
That's what I mean.
Sisel
Pak.
grapes.
Langsung masuk ya. Ternyata jualan ternyata. The best grapes in Monang Mani. Came from me. Sudah ada kefansian, sudah ada juga entertainment.
Kita belum bahas menu spesial nih.
Menu spesial. Ya untuk
New Year
Eve
Eve.
ada
So for the New Year Eve, I think in Sugar Sand you will enjoy a lot of like very luxurious set menu. So starting from like the lobster, from like the hamachi crudo, and then to the wagyu steak. But at Makasih, you will also enjoy a lot of like buffet dinner, a lot of live carving also, a lot of seafood, a lot of desserts, very beautiful desserts, and maybe anything else.
Yeah, actually, like mentioned, so we would like to cater to all. Imagine a lot of families in our hotel who like to dine in a more buffet environment. So as much as different food styles they would like to enjoy, with kids running around, I think Makasih is very suitable for that occasion. And in Sugar Sand, it's more the intimate white table linen. Table with the view, a little bit more romantic and less noisy. A course by course menu served, and every single dish is a piece of art. And yeah, we need to fill on the entire evening. So from 6:30 till midnight, you're entertained with courses, music. Yeah, so that's the program for us.
Ya. Jadi ada 2 pilihan ya sport people. Kalau kamu misalnya bring family, pengen yang lebih santai gitu ke Makasih. Karena
Makasih
anak-anak di
bisa.
sana akan ada space juga untuk berlari-lari
Kalau
kecil
tipikal
ya.
anakmu Gus Harsa, Makasih.
Makasih. Karena nggak bisa diem ya. Terus kalau misalnya mau yang lebih proper, lebih
Yeah.
romantic, you get more vibrance dengan yang kayak lebih fancy gitu di Sugar Sand.
Yeah.
Betul.
Lebih
Ada white
tropical.
table, white
Bisa,
table,
bisa.
ada candle pastinya kan.
Berenang-berenang boleh.
Ada cincin. Nah,
Ya.
lamaran.
Kemarin jadi. Not included cincin ya.
Not include cincin ya.
Not include cincin bawa sendiri ya.
Bawa sendiri cincinnya.
Itu seru banget sih Gi ya.
Seru
Pengen
banget
deh
tuh.
punya experience buat New Year yang ada romantiknya gitu. Kalau
Last
mis-
but not least,
Ya.
apa yang pengen disampaikan dari Kak Dea mungkin dan Pak Halim?
untuk ngajakin sport people, so
Okay.
please say to sport people like welcoming all the sport people to come here and what can they have
What's
this,
make
yeah.
Hotel Indigo Bali
Very
Seminyak
special.
Beach very special.
Ladies first.
Okay,
Ladies
ladies
first.
So for everyone who would like to celebrate their New Year and Christmas in a different way, in vibrant Seminyak ways, this is the place. Look no further than Sugar Sand and also Makasih. And you can also check more updates on our Instagram at Hotel Indigo Bali and at our website seminyak.hotelindigo.com.
Seminyak.hotel.indigo.com.
Jangan terbalik-balik ya.
Well, sporty people,
Yeah.
last day of the year, the last month of the year, it's the final exercise. Get your food and eating exercise on because it's a new year around the corner, so you can burn all the calories.
Walking.
And
Very welcome.
walking, running, scoring goals. We wish you all the best, but we'll like to see you soon.
Yeay. Dan ada yang
Yeay.
spesial juga ya Gi
Ada yang
ya.
spesial.
Ada special offering untuk sporty people. Kalian pengen tahu lebih banyak,
Ya.
baca nanti captionnya di video ini.
Karena kamu nggak rugi nonton video ini. Bro.
Yes bener, nonton sampai akhir karena ada special things untuk kalian.
Cek captionnya.
So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Halil.
Thank you.
Mr. Halil.
Thank you.
Dan
Kasih.
sekali lagi kalian mesti datang ke sini
Yes.
ya. Ke Hotel Indigo Bali Seminyak Beach untuk menikmati all the experience kalian.
Karena
nggak
mereka
akan rugi.
punya vibrant tropical festive.
Yeay.